What's up, y'all? It's me, C Nicole, and today's video is just going to be a quick little visual on how I retwist hair on my client, so stay tuned. Alright, y'all, so these are the products that I use for this retwist. This Talia Wajid tight hold gel is what I typically use, but I ran out, so I used this Jamaican Mango Lime Resistant Locking Gel. It's supposed to be like the firm version of the locking gel. This lock booster I use towards the front of my client's head because this one was not slicking like edges for real. So I needed this one right here to get that front slick, nice and pretty. And at the end of the retwist, I sprayed this spray oil on her hair for her scalp so it won't be dry. All right, y'all, so let's jump into the process. So basically, my client's hair is already slightly damp. She came washed. So I'm just pulling up her locks right now, and I'm taking my comb. I could not find my twisting comb for the life of me, so I just got this rat tail comb with the metal tail, and I'm just cleaning up her parts right now and separating the hair that needs to be into these locks and pushing up the hair that doesn't. I'm gonna take some of my lock gel, get my parts together, and then I'm going to twist with my comb clockwise. I twist all of my locks clockwise when I do my retwist, and then I take my fingers and I smooth the locks in between my fingers, and then I hit it with a palm roll and I clip. And I really just continue this process throughout the entirety of the head, depending on what type of locks I'm doing. But I take the comb, I part it, I twist to the right, I smooth with my fingers, and I hit it with a palm roll. And I'm just doing that to try to combat frizz a little bit because her locks are still fairly new, so they're definitely still in that extra frizzy stage. Alright, so this is a side view of me doing the retwist. So I'm taking my comb and I'm cleaning up that lock. Then I applied my lock gel and I twisted the lock to the right clockwise. After that, I smoothed the frizz a little bit and I hit it with a palm roll before applying my clip. So this is just showing you that I'm doing the same process throughout the head. Now that we're up here towards the front of my client's head with her edges, this is where I broke out that lock booster gel. And that gel is basically kind of more pomade-ish, and it helps like get you that nice sleek look that you might be looking for around your edges, because the other gel wasn't really holding her edges in. So I used that lock booster and I swooped them in there, and it definitely did the job. And it gave us the look we needed. Now I'm just finishing up her crown area and working my way up towards the front of her head to finish up. Alright, these are our last two locks. And y'all, please excuse my video quality because I don't know why it decided to get blurry right now. But it's not giving. But just excuse that. And now you see me just hand blow drying her locks dry. I do have a dryer that people can send under, but I think it takes longer, so people typically prefer this process. And I'm just moving it around so I don't stay in one spot because them clips will get hot. One thing about it, let me tell you. So yeah, I want to make her as comfortable as possible. And these are the final results. Thank you all for watching, and stay tuned for my next video.